Hey, what's going on, professionals? In this video, you will learn an important speaking strategy that will help you be much more persuasive. This strategy is one of the biggest reasons I've been able to grow my business, and if you follow it, your colleagues will listen to your ideas much more, you'll be able to close more deals, and really make the impact that you want to make in your workplace. The strategy is, whenever you're being persuasive, directly explain the long-term impact of your suggestion by creating a chain of what the results will be. Most people, when they make a suggestion, they really just mention the basic, immediate first result. However, the real desire that people have is often a little bit deeper and more long-term. And directly mentioning this real desire is going to make whatever you're suggesting seem much more appealing to your audience. That might sound a little bit confusing, so here's a simple example of this using my own business. I could say to people, if you join my program, it will improve your English. But this, by itself, is not very persuasive. So here's how we can make this a lot better. First, let's ask ourselves, if this person improves their English, what will it allow them to do? Maybe in this case, because your English is better, you'll be able to give better work presentations. When you give better presentations, you'll be able to close more sales deals whenever you meet with possible clients. And then what's the effect of that? Well, because you're closing more deals, you'll earn a higher salary and you'll get promoted faster. And when you achieve this, you are earning more money and you have that higher position, you'll be able to provide a much better life for your whole family. So let's use this in our suggestion. Instead of just saying, if you join my programs, your English will improve, I could say, if you join my program, you'll learn how to give great presentations, so you can close more sales deals and reach your goal of becoming regional sales director much faster. You'll be able to provide an awesome life for your family and will have accomplished something that you feel truly proud of. A lot more persuasive, right? Learning English, that's the basic result here. But what my audience really wants is the stuff that comes later. So in your own work situations, whenever you're trying to persuade someone to listen to your idea, buy your product, or follow your recommendation, think about what the result of your suggestion will be. Then, if they're able to achieve that result, what would happen next? Then if they achieve that second result, what would happen after that? Consider all of the long-term results and the long-term effects so you can really highlight what your audience wants the most. Then use that information to make your suggestion much more persuasive. So that was one tip to be more persuasive, but there's a lot more you need to know if you really want to reach your full communication potential. So if this video was helpful at all, then you can check out a full free 30-minute video on my website where you will learn in detail how to fix the 3 most common presentation mistakes and improve every presentation you give for the rest of your career. You can check out that training right now by clicking the link below this video. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon.